Number 1. 1964 Mercury Comet two-door hardtop, $3,000, San Pedro, California. This 1964 Mercury Comet is a budget-friendly classic project showing 39,842 miles. It is equipped with an 8-cylinder engine swap believed to be a Ford small block 289 or 302 paired with an automatic transmission. The car is not currently running and has been sitting for at least 3 years, so mechanical work will be required. The body is mostly straight, retains its original burgundy paint, and features a clean engine bay. Overall, it provides a solid base for a cruiser, hot rod, or full restoration project. Number 2. 1985 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, $7,000, Woodland Hills, California. This 1985 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz shows just 38,000 original miles and comes with a clean title and single ownership. It is powered by the HT4100 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and remains in very nice overall condition. The interior is original, and the body includes new filler panels ready to be installed. More than $3,000 in recent repairs have been completed, including major cooling, fuel, and electrical components. Garage kept for many years, this Eldorado reflects classic 1980s luxury. Number 3. 1959 Ford Thunderbird, $9,500, Boise, Idaho. This 1959 Ford Thunderbird coupe shows 95,000 miles, with the odometer having rolled over. It is powered by an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The body is close to final preparation, and the roof has already been finished in pearl white. Known for its dramatic late 1950s styling, this Thunderbird has the potential to become a very attractive classic with minimal additional work. Number 4. 1946 Ford Super Deluxe Tudor Sedan, $23,000, Mesquite, Nevada. This 1946 Ford Super Deluxe Tudor Sedan is a professionally built street rod in excellent condition. Power comes from a General Motors 350 crate 8-cylinder engine matched with a turbo-hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Upgrades include 4-wheel disc brakes, a Mustang 2 front suspension, and power rack and pinion steering. The car is rust-free, well sorted underneath, and everything functions as it should, making it a true turnkey classic. Number 5. 1958 Courier Sedan Delivery, $22,500, Apple Valley, California. This 1958 Courier Sedan Delivery has undergone an off-frame restoration and remains in excellent condition throughout. It is powered by a new 406 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine equipped with 3 2-barrel carburetors and a new automatic transmission. Features include power steering, power brakes, an aluminum radiator, and a completely new interior. Its rare body style combined with strong performance upgrades makes it a highly desirable classic. Number 6. 1968 Cadillac Eldorado, $24,995, Cathedral City, California. This 1968 Cadillac Eldorado is finished in chestnut brown with a black interior and presents in excellent condition. It is powered by a rebuilt 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission that delivers smooth and comfortable performance. Recent work includes a complete brake system, refreshed suspension, rebuilt seats, a new vinyl roof, and a full exhaust system. This Eldorado offers classic Cadillac luxury with extensive recent maintenance.
Number 7. 1976 Ford Torino Wagon, $6,900, Pasadena, California. This 1976 Ford Torino wagon shows 50,873 miles and is powered by an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. It drives well and features new tires, functioning air conditioning, and a clean title. Finished in blue, this wagon is a practical and increasingly collectible example of 1970s American design.
Number 8. 1965 Ford Falcon Station Wagon, $21,000, San Rafael, California. This 1965 Ford Falcon Station Wagon is a very clean and mostly original example, showing 143,000 miles with an odometer rollover. It is equipped with a 289 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and front disc brakes. Mechanical updates and interior improvements enhance reliability while maintaining originality. It is a dependable classic suitable for regular driving. Number 9. 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door, $24,500, Bloomington, Indiana. This 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door coupe shows 86,984 miles and comes with a clean title. Powered by a 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives excellent. The body is straight, all systems operate properly, and the car is truly turnkey. Delivery is available for added convenience. Number 10. 1966 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S, $21,500, Central Coast, California. This 1966 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S is a rare performance model with only 2,970 examples produced. It is powered by the original 273 cubic inch Commando 8-cylinder engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and a factory 4-speed manual transmission. Restored to original specifications, it runs and drives well and represents an important piece of early pony car history.
Number 11, 1963 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport, $13,500, Menifee, California. This 1963 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport is an all-original car that runs and drives. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and is equipped with power steering and bucket seats. Showing 100,000 miles and offered with a clean title, it is a solid and honest example from the early years of the Nova line.
Number 12, 1969 Plymouth Barracuda 340 notchback, $13,900, Homewood, Illinois. This 1969 Plymouth Barracuda notchback is finished in frost green with a black vinyl roof and a bucket seat interior. It is powered by a 340 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and shows 78,845 miles. With a clean title and strong performance heritage, this second-generation Barracuda delivers classic late 1960s muscle car styling.